How to use your Create Tap Saddle option. Currently on the drawing we've got two taps. They happen to be identical low loss taps. They were taken from the fitting bin and they were used from this fitting, the low loss T-tap saddle. However, one was placed and PractiCAD chose not to show the saddle. Another was placed and PractiCAD chose to show the saddle. This is because inside of the library icon under Ductwork options, we have the ability to create a tap or not create a tap. To show you that option, we're going to go into the library icon now. On the left-hand side, if we go to Ductwork options by clicking on the word Ductwork, PractiCAD will open up the Ductwork options. And over here on the right currently, we have an option called Visualization, and there's an option to Create Tap Saddle. And it's currently checked. When this box is checked, it means that when you go to grab a tap that has a saddle, it will in fact draw the saddle on the drawing. However, if you uncheck this option, it will not draw the saddle. Now this does not mean that the saddle is not there, nor does it mean that the saddle will not download. It simply means that the saddle will not show up on your drawing. Many contractors do not want to show the saddle on the drawing. However, if you want the body of the saddle to download, but you just don't want to see it on the drawing, just make sure that you uncheck the Create Tap Saddle option, exit out of library, and then close out. And the very next time you go to grab the low loss tap or any tap that has a saddle, you can see here that PractiCAD is holding that fitting without a saddle. However, if we were to go back into the library icon and check this option to create tap saddle and exit out, the very same fitting this time will visually be seen with a saddle once you grab it out of your bin. So here you can see we have the same fitting with a saddle. So just choose whether you'd like to have them on or off. Remember, once again, you may have them shut off, but that does not mean that the saddle is not downloading. If you'd like to control whether or not the saddle gets downloaded, you will have to do that utilizing the number of blanks option inside specific fittings.